everyone! Today, let's discuss a question. If the winning rate is 1%, why don't you win after guessing 100 times? Some people might say, if the winning rate is 1% and I guess 100 times, I should win at least once, right? Actually, not only might you not win, but the probability of winning isn't that high. Let's see why. If the winning rate is 1%, that means the probability of not winning is 99%, right? Right? The probability of not winning is 99%. So here's the question. If you guess 100 times, what's the probability of not winning at all? How do you calculate the probability of not winning 100 times? It's just 99% each time. Multiply 99% by itself 100 times, or in other words, raise it to the 100th power. So your probability of not winning is 99%, and the probability of not winning 100 times in a row is this much. Some students might ask, what exactly is this probability? You can all calculate it. This probability is roughly 0.366, which means there is a 36.6% chance that you will not win at all. Got it? Do not assume that just because the winning rate is 1 in 100, you will definitely win if you guess 100 times. That is the issue here. There is also another question about flipping a coin, guessing heads or tails. It's just like guessing big or small, just like in gambling when you bet on big or small. So here's the question. My chance of winning is 1/2 and my chance of not winning is also 1/2, right? Both winning and not winning are 1/2. Some students might say, if I guess twice, I'll definitely hit the target. If I guess 3 times, I'll definitely hit it. If I guess 4 times, I'll surely hit it. But that's not necessarily true. Even if you guess 100 times, you might still not win. So how is this probability calculated? Your probability of not winning once is 1/2. The probability of not winning twice in a row is 1/2 times 1/2. Not winning 3 times in a row is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. In other words, the probability of not winning 3 times in a row is 1/8. Do you think that if you keep guessing long enough, you'll definitely win? Everyone, you need to understand this clearly now. And also, take the lottery, for example, with odds of 1 in 5 million. Let's say the chance of winning is 1 in 5 million. Some of you might say, if I buy 5 million tickets, I'm bound to win, right? But everyone, take a look at just how high the probability of not winning actually is. 5 million. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the probability of not winning is 4,999,999 out of 5 million. If you buy 1 ticket, your chance of not winning is this much. If you buy 5 million tickets and still don't win, the probability is this. Raised to the power of 5 million. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If you buy 1 ticket, the probability of not winning is 4,999,999 out of 5 million. If you don't win after buying 5 million tickets in a row, many of you might say, that probability must be really low, right? But actually, it's not just not low. It's actually still quite high. In other words, even if you buy 5 million tickets, there's still a good chance you won't win. So with this winning rate, what is the probability of not winning? The probability of not winning, here it is about 0.367879. In other words, with odds of 1 in 5 million, even if you buy 5 million tickets, you still have this high a chance of not winning. Who would dare to buy this lottery ticket then? That's why you shouldn't gamble. Who can win at gambling? Only the house can win. Why? Because the house is the one taking the cut.